Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to run a HTTP servlet in Eclipse IDE. HTTP servlet is a abstract class which is available in Java x.servlet.htp.http servlet. HTTP servlet extends generic servlet and implements serializable interface. Serializable interface is used for serialization. Serialization is a mechanism of converting the state of object into a byte stream, and deserialization is the reverse process where the byte stream is used to object. For that, we make use of the serializable interface. The immediate superclass of HTTP servlet is generic servlet. HTTP servlet defines HTTP protocol specific servlet. HTTP servlet provides all concrete methods. Service method can be replaced by doGet and doPost methods. Let's write the code for HTTP servlet. Open Eclipse, select workspace. Eclipse has been opened. Close this welcome file and go to Project Explorer and select a project. I'm using the same project which I have shown in previous videos. Select this package, go to New and Servlet. Here it's asking for class name. I'm giving HTTP servlet. By default, it's showing the superclass is HTTP servlet. Don't need to change this. Click next. URL mapping HTTP servlet. Okay, click next. And it's showing bunch of methods. These are inherited methods. At this time, we don't need these methods. Only doGet, doPost methods are enough. Click finish. A new servlet HTTP servlet file has been created. Public class HTTP servlet extends HTTP servlet. HTTP servlet is the abstract class. That's why we are inheriting the HTTP servlet. Okay, it's created one constructor and product void doGet, product void doPost. These two are taking HTTP servlet request, HTTP servlet response. Let's go to doGet method. In doGet, parameters are appended to the URL and sent along with the header information. These parameters are not encrypted. The maximum size of data that can be sent using the doGet method is 240 bytes. doGet generally used to query or get information from the server. This is the default method of HTTP servlet. Let's go to doPost. In doPost, parameters are sent in separate line in the body. There is no maximum size of data. doPost is generally used to update or post something information to the server. In both these, doGet method is faster when compared with the doPost. doPost is more secure than doGet because it sends parameter in separate body of the line, but doPost sends in header information only. Let's write some sample code in doGet method. Clearing this one and pasting some code. Response.set content type equal to HTML or text. Print writer, that means we need to import this print writer. Import print writer in IO package. Next, out.print HTML tags, out.print hello world, and then very next line, this is HTTP servlet. This is the message I want to display in web page. Clear this line and leave it remaining thing as default. Save and run this code. run on server, click next and finish. Server has been started. Okay, we are getting the response. Hello world, this is HTTP servlet. In this way you can run a HTTP servlet in Eclipse IDE LGG. That's it guys, meet you in the next video.